Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing awesome. And today I'm going to review a website called IntelliZoom.com. My name is Felix, and if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI apps, filling out surveys, or looking for a side gig to supplement your income, or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info to the wrong hands, or simply wasting your time or money. And we all know time is money, and people do get scammed. IntelliZoom is a website that pays you for your feedback on websites, apps, and digital products. All you have to do is sign up, complete a profile, and start taking tests. The tests are simple and can be done from the comfort of your own home. You'll be asked to perform certain tests on a website or app and give your honest opinion. These tests usually take around 10 to 20 minutes to complete. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $10 per test, and sometimes even more. Plus, they pay you through a PayPal, so you have your money in no time. So to create an account, I entered my full name, my email address, created a password, then answered a series of qualifying questions, after which IntelliZoom sent me an email to confirm the information and activate my account. Then I was taken to my dashboard to finish creating my personal profile, because some studies require very specific criteria. So the more complete and updated my profile is, the more possibilities I will have to be invited to them. Well, even though IntelliZoom claims that average payment depends on the complexity on the complexity of the study, for studies that record think out loud audio and video, you can expect to make $10 on average. But for standard service, the payment is $2 on average, and the survey studies on my dashboard, for some reason, are all $1. But I guess it's just because I just created an account and they wanted to see how well I can do before giving me a better paid survey. But the question is it really worth my time? Well, not really. Now, is it worth your time? Well, that depends on your goals and how much time you're willing to invest. My goals, for one, do not coincide with that site, with what the site offers, and I use a completely different strategy to earn money online. The strategy that I use is my favorite strategy, because at the moment it earns me $5,000 to $10,000 per month. And if this interests you, I'd like to give it to you absolutely at no charge. Just learn and apply, and I will place the link for this strategy in the video description box. Just click on the link and enter the information where you want it to be sent to, and I'll send it to you immediately. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, so you can get more videos like this. And until then, have a great day, and I'll see you on another video review. Bye-bye.